Jonathan. Can you tell Mommy who has the hiccups? Who has the hiccups? Can you smile? Are you going to smile for us? Well, maybe not today. Maybe not today. Oh, somebody's pooping. Somebody's pooping. See, I'm the happiest baby ever. Yawn. Bye-bye.